And we're back to learning Affinity in the year day 27. Let me show the Intersect option. We create a rectangle right here. You can right click on this box and create a second one, the overlap. And if I select them both, you can see we have this square in center, which is the overlap. And via Intersect, we can make this our new shape. Let me change the color of the top one to red. And you can see if I do it, our new shape will inherit the color of the background element. So this gray, if I make that blue, becomes even more obvious. You can use that, for example, to quickly create a half circle. So hold Shift when you drag it using the ellipse tool. Maybe color this one here, the rectangle. You can see that a little bit better. It should snap to the center of the circle. So this is going to help us find it. Select both, use the intersection, and then you've got your half circle. And obviously you can make that a quarter circle using the same method as well. Once again, let me select the blue one here, and you can see that it snaps to the center position right here where these nodes are. So you can be sure that you have a perfectly created, a perfectly symmetric quarter circle. One more thing to add, you can only do that when you are in vector mode. So if you switch to pixel, it's going to vanish. Make sure that you are on vector here at the top left. And this is the intersection in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.